Yes.
Before listing of for withdrawal lordship on 30. You have to prove. Okay. I pray for listing of motion matters lordship. Just find on 9 2 lordship. So can you still on 13 lordship?
13.
13 lordship.
Why are you making a prayer today? 13 is Friday.
Friday.
All right.
Oh, I was similar prayer on 13.
All right.
It will be your lordship. I beg to mention item number 56. 56 prayer for Passover.
56. You are Mr.
Ereka.
Or whose behalf?
On behalf of Asset Sigda.
Item 56.
56.
Prayer made on behalf of the petitioner stands Passover. Stay up.
I beg to mention repetition for listing.
For what? Admission
on,
orders.
Admission.
Admission matter. What is the subject matter?
Your Honor, it is subject matter is selection of constable, tribal constable by the government of Assam.
25th. 25th of February.
Sorry?
25th
No,
of February.
Your Honor, can it be on 9th of March? 9th or 11th of March?
9th of March.
March, yes.
Why you making mention today?
Your Honor, my senior told me to take it.
Who is your senior?
Yes, but
9th of March.
9th or 11th of March.
All right, 11th of March.
Yeah.
11th of March.
Obligation.
I beg to mention item number 37. Second week of March. I have taken consent from the
Item 37 on the request made by the counsel for the petitioner stands referred to be listed on 16th of March.
Okay. May I please? Admission matter next week.
Next week,
On
if
20.
not possible, 25th February. Please correct the date. Yes.
For admission matters.
25th February. Yes, yes, yes. Item?
What is it?
You want a Passover?
It's not the month. This is the matter on
Who are you making a prayer on behalf of who?
TTP.
Huh?
TTP.
Item 46 on the request made by the council for the petitioner stands. In the second week of March?
Your Lordship, next week.
Next week. Next week. 18.
For the admission matters.
Admission. 25th. Sorry. 27th February.
I beg to mention for WBC task listed on 29th August. Kindly list the matter next week.
Not next week, 27th February.
Yes, please, your lordship. Also, I beg to mention for listing or repetition matter pertains to regularization of the service of the workers scholarship, who is going to be retired in the month of May, lordship. There is some disputed on the regularization of
9th of March. 9th of March.
before that, lordship.
Why? He's retiring in May.
May, lordship. The notice has to be issued to the authority and the matter pertains to RBL.
It is a fresh matter.
Yes, your lordship.
Fresh motion.
Yes,
When did you file it?
lordship, on 4th, I have filed.
Then it will come on 13th. You have
Lordship,
to, you are making a mention as if this is an admission or an order matter. You have to mention it is a motion matter not listed.
Sorry, can it be lordship on Monday, lordship?
16th.
Yes, sir. Highly obliged.
Admission column, 27th February.
I beg to mention item 24. We filed our affidavit in opposition yesterday. Let it come next week, ma'am.
You have taken consent of the petitioner.
Consent taken.
Item number
24.
24.
Yes.
Counsel for the respondent submitted an affidavit filed yesterday. They have to submit to the submitted consent.
I'm not There is another matter 43, my lord, on behalf of petitioner counsel Mr. D. Huber, my lord. He has some difficulty today. My lord, can it be listed on in the month of March?
43.
43.
The request made by the council. Date in 16 March.
I did
Motion, admission,
admission.
admission. Let it come on 6th of March.
Prayer for listing of a motion matter, my lord, it is filed out for Friday,
When was it filed?
last Friday, my lord.
Friday.
Deeply obliged.
I did mention for listing of the matter, matter for admission and was not listed on 4/12/2025.
16 March.
Obliged.
Sir, when was it filed?
Day before,
Day before it will come on its own. Some defects could be there.
I have declared a deserter
Deserter.
without communication.
Let it be on 16th. Day after tomorrow. But you do not know there will be some defects.
I will come rectify.
Huh?
I
You
will
rectify,
rectify.
come back on Monday. 16th.
Nice.
I have this one.
Lordship, as per my instruction, Lordship,
One. Hey, Suman matter. Yes.
His result was withheld for biometrics purpose. He has been allotted to ITBP. ITBP has not been made in public.
as per my instruction, your Lordship, all everything was done before the respondent number 5.
But he was, my instruction, he was been allotted to ITBP. So ITBP will depend. It's
That
made
is-
ITBP.
No, what is his problem now? He's not allowed to be joined.
All everything he has completed, but
His biometric,
His name has
there
been-
was some technical, as per this, some technical problem was,
We'll take hold of the biometrics.
as per this Lordship, ITBP will defend this matter as per the SSC Lordship. He was been allotted to ITBP.
That is all right. This respondent 5 will complete the biometrics, or is it ITBP?
It is ITBP.
Then very different party.
as per my instruction, your Lordship, all everything was done by respondent number 5. But that then I will take instruction of my client, yes, your Lordship, then I will file.
The request made by the council. When?
Next week.
Sixteenth.
All right. About 10, 12, 25 minutes.
Yes.
Page 19, Miller, operative partner, not been allowed to join, Miller.
Okay, I heard Mr. M. Dr. Learned Counsel. Issue notice. Letter number 4, which steps on the respondent by speed. Notice.
No.
Heard Mr. S. Bora Learned Counsel. Issue notice. Steps on respondent. By raised by speed. Yes.
The petitioner here was working as a senior assistant in the district commissioner Majuli. Thereafter, he was transferred to Jorhat. The transfer order was challenged for the honorable court. While it was pending, the transfer order has been recalled, and now he has placed in attachment there. So, my lord, that is against the own government order. That is at annexure page 59, annexure 17.
Where is that attachment order?
At page 58, annexure 16.
Eight.
Yes, ma'am. In the interest of public service and cancellation of earlier notification number so and so, Sri Gautam Bhuya so and so is hereby attached as Senior District Administrative Assistant, DC Jorhat with immediate effect. Further, the period of service already rendered by Sri Gautam Bhuya as so and so at the office of DC Jorhat upon his transfer in persuasion of the notification dated 17/1/2025 shall be treated as an attachment from the office of DC Majuli. During the period of his attachment, the incumbent shall draw his pay and allowance against the substantial post of District Administrative Assistant in the office of DC Majuli. This has the approval of Honorable Minister GAD. This is the order. And the order thereafter, my lord, at page 59, Annex 17.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appealing for the department in this case, my lord. My lord, this order was passed on 7/5/2025, and this Lordship will kindly read the last part of the order, which has been stated that this has the approval of Honorable Minister GAD. My lord, in this, since there is something in this matter, my lord, matter may be notice may be issued today, my lord. A similar case was filed, my lord, same petitioner, same this thing, my lord, on which is writ petition number 1782 of 25, still pending. Lordship will issue notice today in this matter, my lord. In the meantime, I'll file my consolidated affidavit because there is, my lord, something, my lord. I have to file my affidavit because there is the approval of the minister, my lord. From the highest authority, they have given, they have taken the after that they have passed this, and this is a 7/5/25 order.
Mr. SP Sharma. Mr.
It's 1, 2, and 3.
And so and so it's 1, 5. Dated 7/5/2025, by which his earlier order of transfer was withdrawn, and transfer was withdrawn, and he was and by the impugned order was to be treated as being on attachment on being attached to the office of the DC Majuli. Stop. Petitioner is serving as Senior District Administrative Assistant. The office of the DC Majuli. From Majuli to Jorhat.
Yes, ma'am.
That's how much? Half an hour.
2 hours as the bridge is not being done. My lord, what is the if we get attached there, the promotional avenues will be changed. Here in
Petitioner is agreed that by virtue of this attachment order, he is sought to be his chances of being considered for promotion to the next higher post of superintendent.
yes,
Superintendent,
no, it will be section administrative officer.
administrative officer are likely to be hampered as he will lose his seniority in place of posting. So it's further submitted that earlier the transfer order was issued, transferring the petitioner from Madhuri to Gauhati, which is stored by WPC number
1782.
1782
2025.
2025. There was a stay.
No, ma'am.
Notice,
There was no
only
stay.
notice in the issue.
Only notice of issue.
So, therefore, this order will be brought, the fresh meeting order has been issued. Mr. Cooper, standing out, submits the file necessary affidavit. Accordingly, it's the General Council represents all the respondents of the next to furnish within a period of 1. Seventh,
Let it be tagged along with 178.
let this matter be listed along with WPC 1728
82.
82 of 25.
EPF, right? Much of it.
Yes, chart. You have to explain as to how the salary increased as per the last order.
Fine. Kindly turn to page 21.
Which one? Which part?
The demand and grievance of book is
Huh? Demand and grievance.
manner. Okay. These three pay scales, my lord, has been was enjoined by the CPW. Has been directed to be granted to all the junior engineers.
Hmm.
The first pay scale, my lord, entry level pay scale is, my lord, 1400 to 2300. After 5 years, it was likely to be increased to 1640 to 2900. And, my lord, after 15 years, this was the recommendation. This recommendation was in the earlier round of litigation, my lord, Supreme Court held that, my lord, entry level pay scale, that is, my lord, this has been replaced. These pay scales are replaced by the.
All right, Mr. Mehdi, what do you say?
This is my the perhaps some instruction, my lord, notice may be released.
I've done a council department.
Good file affidavit.
Mr. S.K. Mehdi, done it. CBC.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, notice of waiver. However, extra copy will be furnished. Started with internal date. After 4 weeks, 13th March. Subsistence allowance not granted.
Not yet granted. 5 months, 21 days. my lord.
Your prayer is only for grant of subsistence allowance.
Subsistence allowance and my lords for setting aside in order.
Of suspension.
At this stage, subsistence allowance been granted. my lord.
Yes, get your instructions why subsistence allowance has not been granted. Heard counsel for parties. Primary grievance of the petitioner is that his subsistence allowance has not been granted for how many months?
5 months, 21 days.
5 months, 21 days. As the petitioner was suspended with effect from 008. Mr. Ghosh, Learned Studying Council, PNRD, will obtain instructions. Since the notice issued, extra copies be furnished. This matter furnished within 2 working days, extra copies.
Yes.
List on 27th February. Yes.
At this stage, Lordship, my prayer Lordship to release the pensionary benefit. What has happened, Lordship, here, Lordship? Pursuant to a police case, petitioner happens to be petitioner was working as junior engineer under the public works department, Lordship. Pursuant to a FR dated 10/8/2022, he was arrested. Thereafter, he was suspended, and this honorable court intervening in the major Lordship by the order
your instructions, file your affidavit here. You have to be sure. Yes. List on 7th, sorry, 11th of March.
Okay.
4 weeks. Huh?
short.
Shorter date. 3 weeks. 6th of March.
Ablan.
Where are the charges? Charges framed?
Charge sheet is filed at, lordship will find at page 5050,
50.
and show cause notice at my lord 32. Kindly come to page
Wait. Charge sheet is 50.
50, it starts,
Huh?
relevant portion at page 54. May I read my
Hmm.
2.1. Srimati Menaka Sharma, a resident of Hatigao, Assam, submitted a complaint alleging that.
No, what are the charges? You read the charges.
Yes, my lord.
The charges.
My lord, Lordship will kindly come to 0.3. If the FIT is alleged that the income of the accused so and his dependent husband was of all amount to the tune of rupees so and expenditure of appropriate to the mean of rupees so and he possesses assets to the tune of rupees so during the same year. Thus, he possesses disproportionate assets to the tune of rupees. Percentage of disproportion is 112.40. Now, my lord, details are given. Now, Lordship will kindly come to the departmental charge memo, so-called notice at page 32. There are two charges. Charge one, that you have been arrested in connection with the state SCBPS case number. Lordship will kindly come to page 33. Second para. The percentage of disproportionate income is 112. Same as at page 54, my lord. And the charge number 2, the charges in the investigation by the Chief Minister that there has also been mentioned that there has been a corruption, misuse of power. It has also been stated that we have particularly informing sensitive units like GST and it is for personal gain. This your lordship will find at page 54, para 1. Same charges. Page 54, last 4 lines. The second. So my lord, since it's a matter of I disclose my difference in my departmental proceeding. So my lord, it is
What is the stage of trial?
trial my lord, such as I can highlight that then.
Lordship, as per telephonic instruction, Lordship, here, Lordship, in the departmental proceeding, he prayed for inspection of documents. So, Lordship, he has not come forward to inspect the document.
Have you filed any application that it should be stayed?
So my lord, department can, as per Captain Poland, it is a court.
Can stay, but that these things should have been placed before the department. Get your instructions. Or then a counter for parties. When is the next date in the proceedings?
Lordship, he has prayed for inspection of document.
Consider is agreed that department proceedings initiated against him. Where is the order?
Page 32 is the so-called notice.
By show cause notice dated 18/10/25. Charges of disproportionate, requiring disproportionate asset. Also the charge filed before the court of it's number 21 of proceeding department filing may get discrimination and it's compelled to disclose his defense in the department of proceeding. Right? Thirdly, State Council, hearing for all the respondents. State. Respondents have sent a right for inspection of document records. The respondents will apprise the court on the stage of the departmental proceeding as also the criminal proceedings. Matter will be listed again on 27th. For consideration of the interim plan. From the interim plan. Extra copies we furnished within 2 working days.
So, my equipment to the junior engineer was actually held on 27-25. Examination was held.
So in the OMR, there were 2 markings.
Marking numerical correct,
1 or 2? 2 markings.
2 marking. But I have given the original for just my it's not so much clear, my lord. You will kindly see. My 2, you will kindly see page 27 and 20. 27 is correct. Paper 1. Paper 2, the loss will find page 28. Rule number is correct, madam. 15598, the numerical one. Only, madam, you also will find that 1 dot was mistaken, of course,
Where?
immediately I informed the invigilator. The kindly supply me another OMR. He said, no, you continue. The thing was, yeah, you continue and you will see. Next day, immediately I filed an application on my road page. You also will find page 22. Immediately I filed the frontal examiner, I informed me. Thereafter, I sought for my answer script through RTL. They supplied me, and thereafter I found the reason for that, my lord.
How many questions are to be answered?
Yes, my OMR sheet, 100 marks.
100.
100 marks.
So you attempted 100.
Yes, I attempted 100.
So out of that, only 1 is incorrect.
Only dot question.
Huh?
Answer is not incorrect, madam. Rule number.
Oh, roll number.
Roll number. You will kindly see roll number, that's not answer script.
Roll number.
Roll number.
15598.
That is correct.
Only,
my lord, the dot. Okay,
What dot?
You know that, my dear, was
1 dot.
dot.
Oh.
Page 28, my lord. 2 dot I have given. Of the instruction of the invigilator.
So I have not understood. What dot?
Uh,
Okay, so you have to indicate the roll number by coloring the numbers, numericals. Yes.
Because what happened, all the OMR sheet was evaluated through scanning machine. If the candidate put wrong circling bubbling, that his answer sheet would not be evaluated. Because his answer sheet would
People
not
make mistakes.
but machine would not detect.
Therefore, people and machine, there is a difference.
Yes.
Machines, when they make mistakes, you pick it up and throw it away.
Yes.
Human beings will make mistakes. So therefore, you can't delegate everything to machines.
OMR
This OMR, you are finding fault because the roll number is incorrect.
yes, but it is
It
not
is
finding.
not a case that this roll number is not there at all. Between the numerical and the OMR, there is some mistake.
Correct from the point of view. But all entire examination was evaluated through OMR. Where the manual reasoning is not applicable here.
You find a way. Your purpose of a public service. Public Service Commission is to pick up the best. Public Service Commission is not to find fault with your citizens.
That's a reversing I am telling you. I'm submitting. If the candidate who is not cautious to make the bubble his own
That's what
answer
I'm
sheet,
saying.
how can we pick up
Human
only for a
beings make
public service?
mistakes. The answer to your question, in fact, is available with you. The reason is, How were examinations held earlier by APSC? Who were the examiners?
Yes.
Human beings.
Human being.
You have replaced them by machines.
These are
You have
scientific.
replaced them by machines.
Yes, yes.
Why? Because human beings commit mistake. Now the machines are examining human beings as candidates who are likely to make mistakes. You as a human being, you'll have to choose whether this mistake is fatal.
But in this case, at this
If you are saying the APSC doesn't know anything, only OMR machine does, then we'll have to take a serious call.
that is not the thing. The thing is that logic. If a candidate who is his roll number in designated space of bubbling, then there is no scope for any mistake.
Imagine
by
the situation if human lawyers and judges are not there and you have only machines.
answer.
There has to be some supervision, some human touch. So get your instruction, he made mistake with his roll number. You can say that besides roll number, his answers are also incorrect. Therefore, only roll number.
That is the crucial. Yes, but while
You see that the roll number in figure non-existent. Therefore, it is irrelevant which space the coloring is there because the figure is also non-existent. Hypothetical. But if the roll number is here, some mistake, the answers are otherwise correct. You have to find the means to evaluate the answers. You have not evaluated the answer. Can it not be evaluated by a human being? Why?
because we cannot discriminate this all these things.
No. Then you put it before the machine again.
Obviously, logic. For machine will evaluate those answers by scanning if the roll number is extracted from the bubbling logic.
We have understood that. But the purpose of machine is to evaluate the answers. Right?
Yes.
But they have not evaluated the answers. They have evaluated you at the threshold you have rejected.
Because that answer OMR sheet could not be identified by the machine due to the double bubbling logic. And examination logic was the result. Final result was declared on 11th of November. Logic.
But
And appointment perhaps has been done.
maybe, but the person has
Today. Oh, last day.
when was the examination held?
Exam hall on 207.
Then why did you come after so many
Mine of the
months?
almost condition I felt that RTI also. Then only we came to know man. Then it was uploaded on 25/11. Then RTI was filed on 20
You get your instructions, Mr. Doctor. That if you tell us that no, the answers are incorrect, or at least one answer is incorrect, we are not going
Yes, I
into it.
have
Prior
noticed.
to that logic, I will submit some settled law by this court, division bench and Supreme Court. When the candidate make mistake in bubbling the answer script, his OMR sheet is not liable to be
All right, you place it. We'll examine.
logic. Will examine. Will the place logic.
Learned counsel for parties. Then we'll issue notice here.
Logic.
Only but in the meantime they are going to one post everybody.
All right.
We only want evolution. So nothing.
We have already recommended logic.
Post for what?
What for civil junior engineer, civil engineering and the PW department.
So, how many posts do you want? One post in all.
No.
Then
I'm only one post model.
one post where?
Junior engineer, civil engineer.
Civil engineer.
Yes. Your last kind
PWD.
but I just PW department.
PWD.
Yes.
Logic, there is no post left. We have recommended against all 560
Not
posts.
till today, till now it is not filled up.
It is not our concern. It is for the government.
You get the information and tell us who's for the department here.
The PW your last kind is advertisement.
It is not a party logic.
PWD you have to make a party.
Not a party logic.
No, appointment might not. Yes, we are following only evolution.
No, but you want a post to be reserved. There has to be a direction. APSC is not issuing appointment orders.
PW is not a party.
Heard, let it come, Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary. Mr. H.
One.
One in?
Only one.
Only one. Mr. P.P. Doctor, AVS for 2, 3 and 4. That pursuant to the advertisement number so and so dated 22/1/2025, issued by the APSC for recruitment of junior engineer civil in the cadre of PW department. Petitioner submitted his candidature and appeared for the written test
Not 20th July,
on 2/07/2025.
7/25, page 21.
So the written test was to be conducted on the basis of an OMR answer sheet. So subsequently, the petitioner was confident that he, having performed well, he would be selected. So, but his name did not appear in the list showing the persons who had cleared the written test. Is only written test or viva?
Only on OMR.
Only written test.
Only.
Select list persons who had cleared the test. So subsequently, he made inquiries, filed RTI, some was informed that his OMR sheet was not examined by the system as there was an error.
Only in paper 2, my. 2 papers, morning and evening, my. After
In respect of
morning was
his
not
roll
correct.
number, there was a discrepancy between the roll number which he had put in figures and the choice he made in the vis-a-vis the OMR. Vis-a-vis vis-a-vis the OMR sheet. So submission that at the time of examination he had requested the data to supply him with a different OMR sheet, which however was declined.
Next day, if I represent written mail.
Thereafter filed a representation
Next day, page 22.
before
Control of examination.
controller of examination.
Just one more.
Oh, that apart. In spite of that, his case is considered. Consideration of the matter. Since the process of appointment has already started, one post be kept vacant. State Department. So, Mr. Garner Counsel for the respondents strongly oppose the submission of the submitted that the system will operate in terms of the manner it is required to operate if there is any mistake. System will not examine the, not evaluate the person, and process for human evaluation mistake. Appointments have also been undertaken by the respondent. But
No, appointment not been made by.
Yeah, today's
their submission. Appointment has also been made by. However, if any direction regarding appointment needs to be issued, then we say it should be addressed to the PWD department, which however, not third council department, it's done in 3 weeks. Respondents are represented. Instructions and file necessary affidavit. Taken on 6th, 9th of March. 9th of March.
Yes, madam.
Huh.
So much will be too late because he's possible minor. Small minor.
Then we will returnable to it's on 27th of February. However, since the PWD department is not arrayed as a party, the prayer for interim at this stage cannot be issued. Missionaries at liberty to array the department. Please take over.
Okay.
Yes.
The petitioners are serving as advocate members of the point of tribunal. Now,
So why, what has happened to the monitoring bench?
that's why that is page, my lord.
What is the purpose of monitoring bench?
93 page, my lord, went to monitoring bench, monitoring said that,
What is the purpose of monitoring bench?
they said that, my lord, it is not within the campus of the monitoring bench, therefore you can.
Therefore, I'm asking you, what is
My
the
lord,
parameters of the monitoring bench? What does it do? What does it monitor?
say that we are only looking onto the infrastructure, not on the pay scale and all. That is the finding.
Yes, Mr. DSGI.
So far as lordship appointment conditions are concerned, now
Right?
appointments are not
That was after the decisions taken by the state and the center.
yes. Yes, now if they want a scale,
Scale or otherwise, they are asking for an enhancement. If you think it is lump sum, then give them lump sum at an enhanced rate.
statistic, I will have to take the extent. Otherwise, so far as scale is concerned, I have to find out.
Because their counterparts coming from district judiciary are protected. Their appointments are also on the same manner.
Gosh,
Heard Mr. V. Chakraborty, Cabinet Council. Filed by they are members,
Yeah, member.
25.
Advocate member
serving members.
of the legal fraternity.
They're appointed as serving members of foreigner tribunals. They're appointed from the bar. One of the petitioner, long-standing one of the petitioner is that their appointments were made on a lump sum basis.
Fixed pay.
Fixed pay. And they have been rendering their services beginning the date of their appointment. And were appointed from who were earlier serving as members of the district judiciary, however, are continuing to get their pay as per the scale which they had subject.
6 lordship,
2/9/2025, passed in WPC 17540.
9/20. WPC mallet 1754.
Yes.
Page order dated 2/9/2025.
And where is the finding?
Finding is 93, mallet, page 93, paragraph
6.
6. The monitoring bench is monitoring the issues of the structure function tribunals set up under the statute.
Order of service.
Let us know. 1964. So far as the prayer for remuneration raised by the petitioner is concerned, the structure bench ordered as under page 96A to extract. Such circumstances, the present petition is been filed. One space for State Council appeals for this foreign. Instead, after the returnable date on 13th March.
Pending, my lord, on 13 to my lord.
Hmm?
Similar case is pending, my lord. It's on 13 to my lord.
Mr. K.R. Patgiri, learned counsel to the petition submits that a similar matter filed by different person.
Different person.
Similar matter is fixed on 13/2. Accordingly, it is submitted that this petition be listed along with WPC
555 of
555 of 2026 on 13/2. Prayer made is not objected to by the respondent counsel. It is taken on.
All right.
I has been filed. Only some votes are lying vacant. So representation I have submitted. Whether the petitioner case may be considered in those vacant posts.
Who has filed an IA?
I have filed one. IA number 352. 352 of
And you have also filed a writ petition.
yeah, writ petition I have filed. Your lordship has granted stay, man. Then in the writ petition, the against whom my post has been filled up, has been occupied by the respondent number 5. So I have no claim against because he has already joined, man. He has already joined, but there are some other posts, man, because accommodation is there, man. From the list, many have been accommodated, man. So my case may be considered some posts are lying vacant in the Mongoldoy Dorong, man. Sorry.
Notice not issued here.
No, just today the first day it has come.
No, in the writ petition.
Yes, notice actually not issued, but affidavit filed, stay vacated.
All right, let notice issue in WPC number 3986. Let notice issue on WPC numbers.
Respondent to already file affidavit.
The parties have issued the affidavit. Want to file any objections, anybody?
That's actually I was supposed to take time, but
Now only the representation is pending there. That may be considered till the disposal of.
Yes, Mr. Sinha.
Your lordship, I have not been served with a copy of the I.
You represent whom?
No, respondent, I have no claim against him. He has already joined. I have no claim against him.
Still, he is entitled to go through.
Yes, but I will give. Man.
So you give him copy.
Yes, I will give. Man.
No, you give him first, then we'll take it up. What is this?
Actually, respondent number 2, I have given the copy.
Then you have to serve him. He is a party. He is entitled to go through.
Yes, I will give.
Claim or no claim.
Today, I will give. Just that representation, that is 2511 is
No,
pending.
let it first complete the formality. It matter be listed again on
13 months.
no, 13, 16.
No, 16, I will be out of Gauhati.
then it goes to 25th.
Yes, Your Lordship.
18
18 is not possible.
Wednesday or Friday, my lord. That next week Friday.
All right. But between Friday and Monday, there are only 2 days.
No, my lord.
So let it be on 20, let it be on, yes, 16th you are not there.
No, 16 and 17 I will not be there.
Then let it be on 25th
Yes, Your Lordship.
or 23rd.
23rd is also there.
23rd. 23rd.
All right.
Correct.
Much obliged, Lord.
Yes.
Lordship of constable in CRPF Lordship. It is a already for more marks as well as physical, medical, everything was done, but finally he was deprived Lordship.
Why?
Nothing was informed Lordship. Petitioner filed a representation also before the election commission.
What do you say? Third learning council for party. You should know.
All right.
If
Sir,
not,
respondent number 9.
Maybe start of respondent number 9.
you file an application on behalf of respondent number 1 to 9, 1 to 8.
1 to 8.
Therefore, notices are being fixed upon. Seeks liberty to file application seeking praying for striking off the this matter be listed after the returnable date. Meanwhile, petitioner may file necessary application for striking off.
Lordship and Lordship pendency, my representation appeal is also
Dependency of the writ petition shall not be a bar to consider the representation filed by the
19/1/2026.
19/1/26. List again
Annexure 8 page 35.
on 13th of March. 13th of March. Yes.
In substance, mother and the daughter from the first wife are petitioner before your lordship. Gentleman had died sometime in July 2025. Thereafter, we represented to the bank, no the nomination details, etc. Nothing happened. We came to the honorable court. Honorable court put a query. Although you have sent by postal receipts, but there is nothing to show that they have received actually. So you go back, send again, and my colleague was also there. If they do not cooperate, come back. We sent again to then they received also. That's okay. Now, everything is there. The next of kin is there, but there will be one difficulty, if I can see. My husband had married again, possibly, and another lady who's the private respondent herein has been receiving 10,000 out of the pension. So therefore, in all fairness, we have filed this petition so that the bank, it's not on inter-se rights, on non-release of money. So if there can be a mediation, Milord, things can be sorted out.
Send it to mediation
Yes,
straight away.
straight away. But only thing, since
Lordship, I have no objection. But here
array
the
of parties,
notice has to be
But-
served
but-
upon the
but
respondent number
Private
7.
respondent
Correct.
is there.
on the private respondent, page 4, if lordship takes up, since I do not have the address, my
How
client
will
has
they serve?
absolutely.
I have
That's-
How
already-
will they serve?
No, they have the bank account numbers. They have the bank account and the address with them. We say, do not give it to us. So let her come to mediation. Throw them, we have the notice. Nothing. The bank account they are maintaining with them. So they have the address and everything. It's only serving them the notice, nothing else.
I have already shared the address of the respondent
Okay,
number 7 in your mobile number.
May I know when? I'll just check up my
Message.
When you check up your mobile,
certainly. Yesterday we had a word, I guess.
check up and come back after a while. After a while.
11:06 a.m.
Yes, I have already shared.
So he's shared.
Please share. Probably he's correct. Share.
So you serve notice. You want to serve notice
Yes, will sir.
by Dusty. We'll give you Dusty also.
Dusty.
Learned counsel to the parties. This, appeals. Appears an exception notice on behalf of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Steps on respondent. Therefore, this is a real extra copy. Steps on respondent 7 by speed post. Dusty is also permitted. Registry of this court. The learned counsel appearing for respondents 1 to 6 submits that he has already shared the address particulars with the learned counsel for the petitioner, which Mr. Bonik submits that he has received, and will accordingly take steps at the said address. That will be listed immediately after the return date.
Would my lord be pleased to that mediation part?
Let
After
the notice be served first. How will the notice be there? There has to be a consent to based on 13th of March.
or others?
Phone number, please. That cases, and it
The earlier DP was in respect of the same.
same. Proceedings come to the earlier support notice. Possible find the earlier support notice.
So was the order passed by the disciplinary authority? Yeah.
Yes, my lord. Possible kindly come to page 46. That is the final order. Page 46. Third para from the bottom. Whereas after careful consideration of the inquiry report, together with the written representation submitted by the delinquent official on the inquiry report, and all other aspects being regard to the circumstances appearing in the department of the disciplinary authority has decided to increase punishment of building of promotion under Rule 7.2 of the Assam Certificate. Now again they have reiterated the penalty para and the last para. The disciplinary proceedings drawn against Srimati Swansea, that is the hereby disposed of subject to outcome of the final verdict. Yes. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner reinstated in 48. Now, Lordship will kindly come to this intimation letter at page 50. 50. 23/1/2026.
Yes.
With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to convey that the Honorable Chief Minister Assam has issued direction to all administrative departments. A department by which active memorandum of service in all instances where regular cases have been registered against state government officials for arrest in trap cases and possession of disproportionate offense. The personal department has been entrusted for monitoring the provision. In this regard, a list of regular cases pending prosecution sanction is enclosed herewith. You are requested to furnish that complete all bodies under your administration. Now, in that list, Lordship, I enclose at page 52, serial number 85 is the petition. though my lord, DP is already concluded that after reported as such, but instead what they did, my lord, at page 54, annexation 16,
What is that vigilance case for?
my lord, one of my grade 4 colleague was caught red-handed and he implicated me. That's how I was also arrested for demanding bribe. My lord, kindly come to the interim data of order at page 54, annexation. Whereas it has been decided to review the department proceeding in respect of under Rule 26 of the Assam Constitution. Now, therefore, in exercise of powers conferred under Rule 94 of the Assam Constitution, this so and so.
The vigilance case is for the allegation that you had accepted bribe,
Right.
not for disproportionate assets.
And I will come under the first category, arrest for that case. As per that letter. Not disproportionate. Possible now, let me complete this. Let me complete the order. The second paragraph from the top at page 54. Now, therefore, in exercise of powers conferred under Rule 94 of the Assam Constitution, so and so is hereby appointed an inquiry officer to inquire into all the charges relating to the aforesaid department proceeding against Srimati so and so, that is the petition. Now, Lordship will kindly come to the copy mark, serial number 3. That is the new inquiry officer. Copies of information regarding arrest of so and so issued from the Secretary, Welfare Board and so dated forward. Suspension order dated so and so. So-called notice, though date is not there, it's 14/3/2020 to the earlier so-called notice. Statement of allegation, list of documents, detailed statement of so-called notice dated so and so submitted by petition. Enquiry report, detailed statement on the enquiry report dated 10/10/2020. DP disposal order.
What do you say, Mr. Nayak?
So far as page 50 is concerned, it speaks about initiation of departmental proceeding in respect of those employees against whom arrest in theft cases are pending, possession of disproportionate assets are concerned. So far as the present petitioner is concerned, Lordship, this is not a new initiation of departmental proceeding. She has already been imposed with penalty law. Now, what the authority has decided, Lordship comes to page 51. Page 51. Whereas it has been decided to review the departmental proceeding in respect of Srimati Sima Devi, Assistant Section Officer, under suspension under Rule 26 of the Assam Services Discipline and Appeal 1960. So a decision is there to review the imposition of penalty against the petitioner. So this is not
Under what?
under Rule 26. 26.
26 or 27?
26 review law.
This is governor's power.
Governor's power.
This is not by the governor.
Not two.
27.
Yeah. The 27 review of disciplinary cases, Lordship. If Lordship reads 26, Lordship.
Okay.
Governor's power to review. Notwithstanding anything contained in this rule, the governor may, on his own motion or otherwise, call for the record of the case and review any order which is made or is appealable under this rule of the rules repealed by Rule 28, and after consultation with the Commission where such consultation is necessary. Now, Lordship, cases Lordship will say A, confirm, modify, or set aside the order, and B, impose any penalty or set aside, reduce, confirm, or enhance the penalty imposed by the order. That is, one earlier order is already there. Now, Lordship will see the provision as provided, Lordship. Next page. Provided that no order for imposition or enhancing any penalty shall be made unless the government servant concerned has been given a reasonable opportunity of making a representation against the penalty proposed, and where it is proposed to impose any of the penalties specified in clause 4 to 7 of Rule 7 or to enhance the penalty imposed by the order sought to be reviewed to any of the penalties specified in these clauses. No such penalty shall be imposed except after an inquiry in the manner laid down in Rule 9 and except after consultation with the Commission where such consultation is necessary. So if this is the provision law, a review decision was taken to review the imposition of penalty against the petitioner, and this notification was issued by appointing an inquiry officer. So that is the provision, Lordship, in my humble understanding.
That there is no indication that you need to have to produce the relevant records to
Lordship.
support that.
And secondly,
The
Lordship, if
appropriate
Lordship
authority
comes to
was-
the last page, Lordship, page 55. Lordship, in terms of the decision, Lordship has seen earlier, in inviting reference to the above, so this is the direction given to what to appear before the authority, Lordship, on 9th of February 2026. Lordship, on that day, Lordship, this petition was prepared. But she, at the same time, Lordship, she prepared an application before the authority citing health ground, Lordship, and she preferred not to appear before now. So as on now, Lordship, this is the facts.
Will produce the relevant records to show
Lordship.
that the decision has been taken as per 26.
Yes.
And can you do it?
Lordship, another aspect of as per Departmental Manual 8.6414, the limitation for such review is 1 year. And the order which ought to be reviewed or passed on 27/6/2024, more than 1 year.
The manual will not override the rules.
But I'm just pointing out. They want to
Rules do
review
not put any limitation.
but
Override the rules.
now my lord, another aspect of the matter. There is judgment of the court. Here, my lord, inquiry report of inquiry. My case is better. Penalty given, then again inquiry.
Is it pertaining to Rule 26, 27?
Document not work by my lord. Document give the day. Document kindly see the serial number 3 copy mark. Everything has been given to what you know.
Therefore, let us find out.
Yes, I'm not signing.
The fact that de novo inquiry can never be held is also not correct.
No, before inquiry cannot be correct, but not like this, not in this manner. Document kindly stay this and
So without going through the record, do not say why. If they have the power to do it, they have the power. You will have to show that this power is not exercised properly or divorce the rules. They really see there is a power repose.
what they have to do is that they have to have penalty. They are trying to do the de novo inquiry by appointing an inquiry officer and the entire proceeding afresh. That is not permissible. That is not. They have appointed a new inquiry officer. Why will they review? They will review the penalty order dated 27/6/2024, which I have read my lord withholding my promotion.
But if you come to 26C,
Yes.
26C is to remit the case to the authority directing further action
Yes.
or inquiry.
So Rule 9A will come into play because already Rule 9
So therefore, the order available in their records invoking the powers under 26 is relevant for the court to come to a conclusion whether it is properly done or not.
very there it is already covered. Now they want to reduce my penalty.
Why don't you read 26? Read 26.
Governor's power to review. Notwithstanding anything contained in this book, the governor may on his own motion or otherwise call for the records of the case and issue any order or is applicable under still under after consultation with the commission. confirm, modify or set aside the order, impose any penalty, set aside, reduce, confirm or enhance the penalty imposed by the order, the case to the authority, make the order, or any other authority directing such further action or inquiry as a consequence.
So if it is C, then it may even go for a fresh inquiry. That is what C contemplates.
And from this stage, and because there is to be finding of payment.
Hmm?
In my humble suggestion, the better we go with the stage. Not the
Here,
whole
let us examine the
Yes, what
matter in which, how
Yes.
they have taken a call.
That's it. Yeah, example. But they will take minute again, call me, my lord. Now the next day comes again.
Unless I am convinced that the proceeding is contrary to the stay. You can't stay a proceeding on the ground that we want to see if the proceeding is correct or incorrect. You have to show us prima facie that yes, it's contrary to the. You have to show us that there is no power. 26 prima facie, 26 says that there is some power. We have the power to remit it back to the authority, directing further inquiry, everything is there. Now, what was directed by the appropriate authority on the 26?
Now the new inquiry officer will.
We don't know what he does,
Because
but let us examine the record.
earlier statute and earlier penalty order, everything has been taken for him. Again, he'll take a recall on that, my lord.
We don't know. We'll examine it. We are not closing your petition. Unless you are entitled to get information, we don't have to tell you how, as to on what grounds these orders were passed. But not making a statement that there is no such order in the records, and you have information to that. Then it will have to be.
Certainly examine, but in my
Stay. We'll
There
issue
will be
notice on your
penalty of
interim, but not stay. Mr. Nayak, when can you give us the records?
1 week.
I didn't.
25th or 27th?
27.
27. But the council for the party, provisional review by the order. Six.
Yes, my 3 to and my not 3 February.
Huh?
The next page also, the inquiry officer called me for.
3-2 and 5th of February 2026, according to the petitioner. She is serving as what?
At present, my lord, I am serving as senior administrative assistant.
Senior administrative assistant in
GAD,
In
General
the
Administration.
General Administration Department. And there was a proceeding initiated against the petitioner on purportedly on grounds that the petitioner had purportedly accepted some bribe. The inquiry was instituted, which concluded with the disciplinary authority punishment for withholding promotion under Rule 7, Roman 64 by order dated 27/6/2024. Subsequent thereto, subsequent thereto, the petitioner who was earlier suspended was reinstated in service. So thereafter, by communication dated 23/1/2026, issued by the Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Personnel A, that directions have been received from the Chief Minister of the state. Initiate departmental proceedings by issuing charge sheets / memorandum of charges all instances where regular cases have been registered against the state government officials for, within bracket, arrest in trap cases, bracket Roman 1, and number 2, possession of disproportionate assets. So, the council will summons that respect of acceptance of bribe, the petitioner was proceeded with departmentally, and the punishment was also imposed, and the criminal matter has been filed. No?
Pending, ACB,
Yes,
case number 1 of 2020.
a criminal matter pending proceedings in ACB case number 1 of
2022.
2022 was filed against the petitioner, which is pending trial. Stop under such circumstances, it is submitted that once the departmental proceedings were initiated and punishments imposed and accepted by the punishments imposed and the proceedings closed by the disciplinary filed with the department. By way of initiation of the second departmental proceedings on the same allegations, spoken barred submits that this court will issue writ orders for consideration of the state further proceedings. Respect to second departmental proceedings initiated against the petitioner. There are Mr. Nayak, state, six, submit that state on the government. Let us set aside the order. And the cases action or inquiry. Such other court. Under these that the subsequent departmental proceeding by the order dated 3/2/2026 has been initiated. Stop.
My submission
Review.
would be not, this is not a review, second department proceeding, in fact, it
the-
will be a review. process.
the that by the impugned order, government, the department has, the state has decided to review the departmental proceeding which was initiated in the state petitioner. Consider the submissions made by the consider let this matter be listed on 27th of February. The next date fixed, no coercive action shall be taken against the writ petitioner. Respect of proceedings initiated. Five two is irrelevant now.
I do, I do.
So proceedings initiated under 3/2/27. 7, we have not passed. Or you can, if you can produce it earlier, say is 11th.
Yes.
You can give it to us by 16th.
or 28th. 1 week.
He or she may be asked to appear.
If the interim period he is paying.
We are not granting you the interim prayer. We are saying, don't take coercive action.
The review process.
But no coercive action.
As Lordship has said, then interim prayer will be considered on the next day. Till then, Lordship.
We are only saying don't take coercive action. That's all. We are not staying the proceeding. We are not saying that he shall not participate. We are saying don't take coercive action.
We can ask her to appear before the authority. One notice was already there. She took time on held ground.
We are not granting you liberty to issue notice, nor are we curtailing your liberty. We are only saying don't take coercive action. The next day. Otherwise, if you are willing to bring it on 17th, 16th, or 18th or something, then don't write. Again. Examine, but 20 we don't know.
On 19th.
19th, the docket is already filled up.
20. Just 1 week.
Twenty then. How does it affect? We are only saying don't take coercive action, that's all.
Then on 27. If it is there, on 20.
Okay.
Apply.
Kindly fix the matter at 2 p.m. Lordship, Senior Government Advocate P. Nathu Neptune.
2 p.m. is not possible.
But,
We can have it on Friday.
So there is urgency because tomorrow the inquiry officer has fixed the date
Hmm.
for calling me for inquiry. Now, I'll just briefly,
You appear.
I'll just please the facts. I was a chief executive officer of the Jila Parishad, Dhubri. But I was in charge of overseeing the construction of 2 schools. Part payment was released. After that, my lord, there were anomalies in the construction by the contractor. My lord. I detected those anomalies. I stopped the payment. The contractor lodged the FIR against me. Trap was laid. I was not caught red-handed. One M.K. Sokar, who was a subordinate in my office, he was caught red-handed, and thereafter they tried to link it with me, my lord. Then, my lord, a show cause notice was issued. After the show cause notice, my lord, I submitted representation that kindly, since there is a criminal proceeding pending, kindly keep it pending, my lord. Then I approached this court, my lord. This honorable court, my lord, passed an order directing the respondents not to insist on filing written statement till the charges are framed in the criminal case, my lord. That, my lord, will fine. I'll just take your lordships.
Is 90.
Page
90.
page 88, my lord.
88.
Yes,
That's the order.
that's the order of this honorable court.
The effective part is in 90.
I'm sorry, my lord. Correct. Page 90. Now,
Yes.
what they have done, my lord, during success, the charges are yet to be framed in the criminal court, my lord. They have issued the impugn order first. The impugn order, last impugn order, my lord will find page 101. 12/2/2026. They are asking me to appear before the IO.
Why have you not filed a contract?
First of all, my lord, what I am placing before your lordship is that, my lord, I have 2 points. I have 2 grounds. First of all, this decision,
According to you, this order still prevails.
that is one aspect of the matter. That is one violation. Second is that Lordship is well aware with the proposition of laid down with regard to simultaneous proceeding. If a party
That is what this order said.
is correct, Lord, but the thing is that what they might apprehend the Lordship will protect me, consider their stand, whatever they want to say. But my humble prayer before the Lordship says on date is that Lord, from tomorrow's hearing, Lordship will kindly give me some protection. Let them come up with this.
We are trying to understand when you already have an order in your pocket, why are you coming back again? This order is very clear. No charges until
Lordship,
no
Lordship will-
proceedings.
because their decision I'll have to challenge.
That is all right.
No.
But
Lordship, I'm correct. I'm just page 93. Lordship will kindly come. This decision I'll have to challenge because their understanding is that's page 93, below third paragraph. They have understood that since charge sheet has already been filed, so we can proceed. So this decision I'll have to challenge before
the order is framing of charges.
order is framing of charges. So this decision I have to challenge before your lordship. It's staring on me, Milord. That's why this petition.
Yes.
Kindly fix and the first item tomorrow. Not today.
All right, tomorrow.
Some protection.
Tomorrow,
Morning, first item.
10:30. Heard Mr. H.K. Das, learned counsel, Mr. S. Burwa. State.
Yes, Lord.
Petitioner is agreed by the impugned order dated 5th of December 2025. Whereby the disciplinary authority has decided to proceed with the departmental proceedings drawn up against the petitioner as, according to the disciplinary authority, in spite of opportunities granted, written statements of defense is not filed. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that earlier this court has passed an order dated 5/2/2024, passed in WPC 321 of 2024, whereby the following interim order was granted, page 90, thus by extract. The counsel for the petitioner therefore submits that the protection granted to the petitioner was till the framing of charges, and it appears that the department is proceeding against the petitioner in the departmental proceedings on their understanding that the interim order granted earlier in court has been carried out or is no longer subsisting as the investigating authority has filed their charge sheet. So the however submits that charges are yet to be framed by the competent court of criminal jurisdiction. Such circumstances is approach this court, praying for suspension of the departmental proceedings sought to be initiated ex parte by order dated 5th of December. The learned MSS Burwa, learned State Council submits that Mr. D. Nath, senior government advocate, addressing the court on this matter. Therefore, as this matter, tomorrow is first item.
Tomorrow I have been called for hearing also. Kindly some
Tomorrow, 10:30.
11 o'clock. I have been called.
We don't know, but you informed that the matter is being called up tomorrow. I'm sure they will understand.
Something. Some.
Then what is the point in fixing it tomorrow?
That's true, Mil. But
Then
I
it
have
will
been,
amount to ex parte grant of an interim order.
otherwise, I have been
We don't know.
make out a prime.
He wants to address the court. Let him address it tomorrow at 10:30. You be available unless you are busy elsewhere.
But otherwise, I would not have objected to this, Miller. Only my predicament is that had the inquiry
Are
been
you
fixed,
supposing that the court would be powerless to pass
absolutely
orders
not. Fine, Miller.
rectifying
Fine. Fine.
such orders which the court
Lordships
department
can
will
always
pass?
protect me.
Then
Lordship.
we'll consider it
Highly
tomorrow.
Highly.
You serve extra copies if required.
Yes, Miller. First of it, much.
Authorized.
Wait, please, Alok. It is aggrieved by page 69 gradation list. In respect of Deputy Conservator of Forest. Let's come to page 16. It says gradation list of PCF of 1988-90 batch. As on so in so 1/1/2022, prepared on the basis of draft gradation list notified for forest rangers by government notification number so and so. So this is a gradation list which is confined only to 1988-90 batch. Now, presently I'm serving the cadre of PCF and I belong to 1989-91 batch.
When is the promotion scheduled?
But my promotion to the IFS is due. My body is this. My only submission is that this whole exercise, preparing a gradation list, batch-wise, is entirely wrong. Gradation list is always, my lord, cadre specific.
We should notice today. What more do you want?
I want non-operation of this page 69. I'm due to retirement in May. My promotion is due. Now,
We'll issue notice on interim, let the respondents appear, and we will consider it. But Mr. N. Nath, Council for the Party. MSP Sharma appears for respondent number 7. None represents MSS Borua, Council for the State, represents respondents 1 to 6. And who appears for UPSC? CGC. Mr. R.R. Gugoi appears for 1 to 6. 7 P. Sharma. S. Borua for respondent number 8 and 9. State. Who is for 8 and 9? State. You are appearing for state. You can also appear for union. So you appear for union, you record the name of Mr. A. Chakraborty for respondent number 3. Issue notice return in 4 weeks since the council. Notices away, an extra copy will be furnished within the period of 1 week. So the 7.
Can it be after 3 weeks now?
3 weeks, so the returnable 3 weeks. Then goes to March 9th. 9th of March.
Reflect the name GA Assam.
Registry will reflect the name of G.A. Assam. We are fixing dates. You kindly take a note of the date. Don't burden the registry.
My name also is not shown.
Your name,
Our name.
item number 53. Your names are not shown. Who is Mr. P. Doimari?
Our name is also.
Registry considers him enough. Names of Mr. Nath and Mr. P. Deka will also reflect it. His council on behalf of
9th of March.
9th of March. Yes, Mr. Dole.
I'm appearing for all the respondents. And my lord, there are some numerical defect in the affidavit in opposition.
But none appears.
None appears in the petitioner, but I'll not change anything, only numerical defect I'll rectify. let it come for disposal on 9th of March.
9th of March.
Yes.
Numerical defects, but you'll have to rectify.
No, I will just put the same annexes from.
You want to rectify where? In
No,
the
I'll file the additional affidavit, my lord.
in the additional affidavit
Yes.
file,
Yes.
or you want to file something afresh?
No. Nothing will be placed. Nothing will be frozen
What,
only from the.
what numerical changes you want?
My lord, in annexure, actually, it would be in the 7 instead of 8.
Oh, that
That kind of thing. Just pagination of
that need not be reported. None appears for the petitioner. Matter being called, Mr. Y. Dole, Learned Counsel, representing all
all the respondents.
appears for submitted, matter be listed on 9th
9th.
of March. It is further submit that some pagination in the additional affidavit is required to be corrected.
Additional affidavit to be filed, my lord.
Be filed.
Yes.
Then why do you want permission from the court? Not filed as you.
So, my lord, because same content will come. Anyway, my lord, within 1 week, I will find it. That's my prayer that maybe.
You want to correct where already documents filed or yet to be
Documents
filed?
are already defectively filed in the main affidavit in operation. So, I have to make it correct and file it.
All right. The Learned Counsel is permitted to file additional affidavit.
Apply.
But the order has been complied with.
Order complied with. Third counsel for parties. Contempt petition was filed alleging willful disobedience of the directions contained in the order. So, there are today when the matter is called up, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent, Mr. B. Gauhati, additional AG, submits that order has been complied with on 11/11/2025.
That is contrary to the departmental proceeding order. Take it up to 25 years.
The copy of the same is being furnished to the counsel for petitioner, who submits that since his prayer has been rejected by the department, the will be granted to challenge the same. Proceeding afresh. When considering the submissions made by the parties, by the respondents, contempt petition stands closed. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to challenge the order. So it is disposed of. Citation number 2.
Cookie numbers 4 and 5, 4, 5 and 6 though newly implemented, but somehow we failed to get the order from this honorable court to issue notice upon them.
Mr. J. Abdin for the petitioner by earlier orders. The parties 4 and 5, 4, 5, 6
Yes, ma'am.
were implemented in the present content. Yes. Better. Accordingly, late notice issue. Implemented respondents 4, 5, and 6. Steps by registered post within 1 week. Matter be listed after.
Deeply approved.
I don't find this out. Yes. Yes, please.
My lord, our new government has been implemented. It has been started or not, my lord? Then commissioner has been implemented.
Pavon Terang.
Yeah, ma'am.
Office note dated 4/12/25 reflects newly implemented opposite party has been carried by filing amended post title, where I issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Steps of the newly pleaded opposite party by speed post within 1 week from today. Mr. B. Gogoi appears for respondents.
Respondent one.
One. Okay. As per Office Note 7/2026, AD card service is awaited on respondent number. Mr. P. A. Gogoi appears for the this matter again after 4 weeks for service report.
To submit report by the manager.
Completed.
For the highest authority. So, they verified. Along with others, and the particulars of the petitioner has been verified, and it is awaited the final approval from the highest. After
The MS Thakuria appears for the petitioner, Mr. Gogoi for the respondent, submits that the matter is actively under consideration and process, and therefore submits that matter be listed after 4 weeks, by which time it is expected that the directions contained in the order shall be complied with. This matter again after 4 weeks
There is the update
on 13th of March.
I am not submitted complied with that. I will convey it.
That's what the contempt proceeding is for.
So I
Otherwise,
understand,
you are exposing to contempt.
No, I will convey regarding that.
Convey that this is the contempt proceeding, they are required to comply or take steps to rectify the order for which.
No, they are working on it. It's not that
Ah.
they are sitting over.
Ah.
Contempt will be when we are sitting over.
The contempt will be when you are willfully not implementing.
Yes. We are implementing. That part, I will place the updated melon, I will convey also. Because I am not making. Another when it comes up, then that statement will be problem for the respondent.
You right that are
Likely,
For
not will be likely to become.
for implementation of the directions contained in the order. Consider the implementation of directions contained in the order. It is part. 13.
Okay. Let us some inspection we are yet to receive. Now the IAS come, five, six, seven.
You want to file objection?
Some inspection here yet to
Huh?
Some inspection is yet to receive from my learning council. For inspection of my learning council order.
This application is filed for implement of two parties. Guy as respondents 5 to 9 in the company. One. Right. There are what Mr. Banerjee Learned Council to complete the instructions of the matter. It's taken after 2 weeks. 27. 6th of March.
I'm grateful.
Yes.
File this time, make for substitution of the legal heirs of the deceased petitioner.
Right, counsel for party issue notice. By After return.
Objection.
After 4 weeks. at a date. After 4 weeks.
What should the science in preferred under order 1 rule T to strike out respondent number 7 and 8 of this petition in option? So what should
Any
respond?
objection? SI has been filed under. Strikeout. For implement,
No, strike out your option.
you see your post title? Your prayer. SI 347. Chai. Huh? Item 20.
It's 20 your option.
Item 20.
20.
What is the IA number? You don't have the number of your IA. You don't know. Yes, well done at council. Six. Having no objections. Highest and allowed. Names of respondents. Party respondents 7 and 8 are struck out from the election. The amended post title before the registry within 1 week. Copy of this order will be dispatched. Contempt case number 278. Striking of the name. Contempt or WBC?
Content your option. It's
Huh?
a petition 2302 your option.
From the video. Number 2302. The PPC, right, in view of the order passed today, in IA number so and so. Responding so and so. The names are deleted from the area.
Alert to file for improvement of new incumbent, my lord. Opposite party number.
Any objections for the respondents? Hearing for the
My
other
lord,
side?
earlier, my lord, as Dr. is here.
Hey, Mr. S. Doctor. Issue a short notice. The absence of respondents,
For
or you wanted some other day,
some other day showing the name of Mr. Elder.
you inform. List on 13. 13. Registry will reflect the name of Mr. S. Doctor, counsel for the respondent. February. Day after.
I have been filed for correction of typographical errors in the order dated 30th of January 2026.
Yes. Where are the errors?
Paragraph 2, 3, 10, and 11.
Two.
Yes, sir. Third line, your lordship.
Hmm.
imposing penalty on the writ petitioner under section 119 and 122 of 122(1)(a). Lordship, that should have been section 122(1) subsection 19 and 122(1). 119 should be omitted.
122.
Subsection 1,
Uh,
subsection 19, Roman 19, small.
One 119.
Yes, sir.
Then
Paragraph number 3, Your Lordship. Second
same,
line.
same thing.
Yes, Your Lordship. Provisions, Lordship, in this provision, both the sections should be omitted, and instead of that, only section 122, 119. Then paragraph 10, Your Lordship. Second line. Lordship, the provisions of section 122, 119 and 122, 1A. Your Lordship, it should only be section 122, 119, Your Lordship. Then third line, Your Lordship, instead of section 122 and 119, it should be only section 122, 119. Same paragraph. Your Lordship, paragraph number 11, third line from the bottom, Your Lordship. The code that section 119, 122, 1A. Lordship, that should only be 122, 1A.
Council for party, this I has been filed seeking correction in the order dated 1/2026 passed in publication so and so. Seat order. Certain areas are corrected. Advertently, but same stands corrected today by this order. So, para 2, para 2, instead of cutting, instead of so and so, it should be read as so and so, so and so. Para 2, instead of so and so, it should be read as so and so. Para 10. Para 2, 10 and 11. Stop. Para. These corrections, the order dated so and so, passed in WPC so and so, therefore stands corrected. Above, this order should be read together with I stand allowed. Shall be retained WPC number 436 2026.
Like public.
Manner, respond now 4 has already entered appearance manner, 5 has not entered manner. So may I pray that manner item will be sent to the Lavajima manner so that service can be determined manner. In the meantime, they may file
But 10-2 there is a notice. Respondent 4 has entered appearance. 4.
manner.
But steps on respondent 5 is.
I have already taken already manner.
Ah.
On the same day manner. I have
Now,
already taken.
Who is left out now?
Manner.
4, you are appearing for 4.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Now 5, it says the item is delivered.
Manner.
So we'll consider, we'll hold that these steps are completed.
Manner.
Service is complete. But Mr. E.K. and MS
Are they appearing on behalf of Mr. A.R. Shaw?
are Dave appearing on behalf of Mr. E.R. Shaw. It's not dated 10/6. Reflects that as per the delivery details through India Post Within Post website, item has been shown to be delivered. Respective respondent 5. Respondent 5 stands complete. after 3 weeks. The
Like-
respondents may file their counter affidavit. if they
Yeah,
like.
date my date में kindly put. Any date after 4.
13th May, 13th March.
Right, Lordship.
Well,
Here I am praying for an pension, the minor son of the second wife. And the last occasion, this honorable court directed the respondents to file affidavit.
They've been filed.
No, my lord.
Who are the respondents?
Praying for state respondent, Lordship.
You want to file anything?
Yes, I have received the instruction, Lordship. As per our instruction, no application has received from the petitioner, father of the petitioner, late Ramesh Kolita. In regard to the,
You bring it on record.
yes,
Your
Lordship.
instructions, you bring it on record.
Private
Mr. S. Biswas appears with petitioner and State Council submits the instructions have been received. She would like to take it on record by you.
Already this matter is pending since 2024.
13th March.
March of the-
Then in Mr. Han. appears for the petition. State. Submits for the time being granted. She is matter be listed after 2 weeks. It's again. So March. All right. Enabling the respondents to complete their instructions.
I'll engage counsel the air flying another proposal for time being is coming.
Friday,
2020.
Friday,
I have received instruction on.
you have received. Let her file affidavit. Yes.
Any specific instruction requirements? Any court has last order, Lordship, specific instruction has been required, whether 60 years,
All right, let this matter come up on Friday.
Lordship.
Friday.
Finally, pay the order number 31.
Instruction awaited, Lordship, in this matter.
Mr. Richard Ahmed for the petitioner and this Goa state. Time spread for completed instructions. List again on 27th February. Okay.
Yes, my lord. The petitioner was initially, my lord, appointed as my lord, junior instructor, my lord. IPS on 29/6/1994.
You are required to place a copy of
Yes,
the order passed.
Yes, lord, that was my lord. I have taken update on certified copy, lordship.
Readings are exchanged. Readings are complete.
Yes, lordship. Links are complete,
So
my
let
lord.
the matter be listed for hearing.
My lord, 18 matter, lordship.
18 matter.
Lordship, regularization, my lord. The matter of regularization, my
Regularization.
lord.
The Honorable my lord, in other cases also my lord directed to revise their services lordship necessary by sitting fresh process. My lord,
Service.
last line is my lord bottom. That is
So what do you want?
my lord regulation. This is a case of regulation, my lord. Against permanent force I was appointed.
No, you referred to an order passed in 6010.
6013. Initially 6010 my lord 21 page 21 is there. My lord, initially there was a drive for hosting the petitioner's lordship. Petitioner and other my lord similarly situated my lord employees lordship. Therefore, all the employees my lord, including the petitioners, my lord, approached this honorable court. That is 6010, my lord.
That's an interim order.
Interim order lordship.
Then what
And
happened?
that order was my lord. This case was finally disposed of lordship
By which order?
by order dated
Page number
lordship at page 39 lordship.
39.
Page 39 lordship.
Yes. Which was disposed of by relying on WPC 245.
245.
245 says that if you are otherwise regularized, you shall be allowed to continue.
Lordship.
Oh,
Yeah, I was continued my till date my have been continued. Lordship. Now another
No,
set.
this order says if the petitioner has been selected for regularization
Lordship.
in terms of the existing routes by going through necessary selection process,
Lordship.
he shall be allowed to continue in service.
Now till date lordship, I have been continued lordship. Another set of writ petition was filed lordship. Many other sets were another 42 page 42. Page 40 that was filed by Manmohan and another my lord was taken with lordship. Other writ petition. They lordship in that case lordship. My lord, paragraph 5 kindly see page 44. Although direction was given in WPC 245.
All right, we'll keep it for 17th February for disposal. 17th February.
For hearing.
Yes. Hearing in disposal. It's on 17th. Submitted the things are exchanged.
And they were maybe
What else?
or
Why are we fixing it
final
on?
hearing.
Why are we fixing it on 17th?
For final hearing.
Of course.
All right.
Yes.
Lordship, here in this matter, Lordship, the petitioner's gap period is supposed to be regularized, Lordship, for which Lordship he has nothing. Then certain pensionary benefits.
You don't want to go to mediation.
Otherwise,
That
Lordship,
time, that day I was not keeping well.
Today you look perfectly all right.
Today I am perfect. It's hard, Lordship, because there is one.
Yes, what happened?
Lordship, now we are waiting for the finance view, Lordship.
Final?
Finance department view.
Have you filed your pleadings?
Lordship, we have filed, Lordship, but for the government, Lordship, yes, we have
Third
not.
council for parties, it is submitted that pleadings are exchanged.
Really
Matter,
submitted my lord only then giving the para-wise amendment.
he says pleadings are filed, so we'll take it up for admission hearing on 12th of March. 12th of March.
Maybe.
12th of March.
Highly
Attempt will be made to dispose of the petition on the same day.
I mean, more than decade back, he was retired man.
Examine.
Nothing like a very kid minor, non-fault of mine. And he had fairly submitted his statement.
You get your instructions or we pass orders as per our understanding of law.
Highly
Yes.
In this case, they are raising some new issue.
We'll keep it for hearing, admission hearing. These matters be listed for admission hearing. 12th of March. 12th of March.
But in my case, there is no further issue covered. After the judgment probably is covered at 34.
All right, then we'll have it on 26th of February. Just on 26th of February. Who's raising objection?
My learner brother, he raised.
No, I'm not kidding. All of you are watching already appointed my lord. Other day, my lord. I'm not.
In this matter,
No, not retaining.
Then your lordship, my point there.
then we'll have it on, we'll have it on 13th.
13.
If it doesn't require hearing, then we are having it on 13th.
Yes.
And on 13th, don't turn around and say, no, we are raising this objection, that objection.
So the apex court decision, my
You
lord,
made up your mind.
Proceeding have already decided, my lord. That order is not, my lord, uploaded, but that order is there, my lord.
Which order?
My lord, for my lord.
That 5, 6, 7 claims.
Yes, my lord.
Oh.
That my learned counsel M. Zain appeared, my lord.
Yes, yes.
That is, my lord, that is not uploaded, my lord, but the order apps, my lord,
It will get uploaded by today.
covered by,
All right, then 13th. 13th or 16th? 16th will be on a safer side. By
Yes,
this
yes,
time, the
my
order will be
16.
approved. 16th. Check up. You have the number?
yes, ma'am. I just,
Please give the number to the court master.
also as per the order dated 30/10/2025, ma'am. Some instructions are sought from.
Yes, CGC. Cipher.
Yes, my lord.
Learned counsel H. Gupta is leading this lecture. I have to inform you.
It is submitted that Mr. H. Gupta appears for the respondent who is not able to report. Accordingly, that this matter be listed again on Twenty-sixth of February. 26th of February.
In any case, my lord,
There are two other cases also pending.
there are 3 other cases arising out of the same my lord, award. So maybe this matter may be tagged along with those.
Counsel for the party submit that there are other petitions pending. Is challenging an award.
Arising out of an award. It's a long history, Manu. So
What is being challenged here?
they are seeking enforcement of an award.
Arising out of an award passed by the industrial tribunal. What in it?
Dated 1812.
Dated 1812. 2000. So, numbers
5245 of 24 and 6803 of 24.
52
5245 of 24, 6803 of 24, and 4527 of 25.
6803
Yes,
and 45
4527,
7 of 25.
25.
List on
26 minus
20. 5th of March.
can give you 12. 12th of March.
12th.
12, okay.
12th of March. Same party. APS of the respondent. In the other writ petitions also, same counsel.
I appear for ONGC.
I'm not there.
The provisional release of it.
Regarding your office, although reply was filed in 2016, your office, they have
But it
not,
was sent for mediation. What happened?
nothing happened.
No. Where is the failure report? It was sent for mediation.
Yes,
Then
because nothing happened here, because the mediator has, that the matter has to be decided by the court, so yes, one is back.
but there has to be some order. Where is that?
So otherwise, your office, they have been filed, but they are not concluded.
So, mediation was referred to by orders of this court.
Yes,
Subsequently, it has come back. You have no idea why the matter has been remanded back. There is no order, there is no failure.
no, I was there,
Do you have a copy of that order?
Yes, no, I have not. Mediator just told me that it's a pending matter, it has to be decided by the court. Much yes. I was reading this from your lordship, the person declared on 2021, your lordship.
The writ petition was referred to mediation by order dated 5/8/2025. And the counsel for the petitioner submits that such report available. It's on 27th of February.
Oh, admitting, your lordship, long time.
The long pending, we'll fix it for hearing if you want. But on 27th.
Not like that.
Start over here. I'm not.
What the person made by the Shanika persons, were examined and the certificates were issued by the authority.
Pleadings are complete. Exchange. Respondent 7 has filed.
Yeah, 5 years.
Respondent 7 has filed.
Yeah, 5.
Who's for the other respondents? Health Department. Mr. Gogoi, the affidavits required. The matter which was, selections were held by the police police recruitment.
What they have done,
Uh,
they out of 530, they have appointed 362. 362 already appointed in the grade 4 post. Then grade 3 post.
So
all-
we'll have to fix it for hearing. Okay.
March, my lord, those, that.
Huh?
March, that finished.
We do not know whether this is that same matter or
Then
not.
lordship will come. Yeah, after 3.
This based on 6th of March. 6th of March.
My lord, for a final disclosure, admission system. Because these younger persons, my lord, are suffering a lot.
Everything can be an admission disposal.
Very short matter. Because some are appointed, some are
You,
left.
Mr. Soikia, you don't appear in short matters. Any matter that you appear can be short.
Because their friends are appointed, they are some of them are left over. That is it. And yet they are all appointed.
Then let us have it on 12th for admission hearing. 12th of March.
Well,
That will be listed
and
for
appointment
attempt shall be made to dispose of it.
for disposal of it.
Respondents are given liberty to file their affidavits if so advised in the meantime.
So that's fine.
Any response?
We have filed an affidavit over
That now,
Sir. But
My lord, in the matter, my lord, on last occasion, my lord, posted for the mediation, my lord. Both sides were agreed to send the matter for the mediation. Again, this matter has been listed today. So my learned senior is appearing here, my lord, for the web course. The mediation is not workable. But so the
It has
way
been resolved.
we are paying for again for sending the mediation today. My client is also ready to appear before the mediation. All right, parties are agreed that the matter may be referred for mediation. Hence, made to resolve disputes by mediation. These parties will appear before the mediator on 23rd of February. If not.
On last two occasion, my lord, I take your lordship the dates, my lord, that is on 19/1/25 and 6/2/25. The Forest Department took adjournment to file the affidavit. My lord, District Commissioner has filed the affidavit and has virtually agreed to reconsider the matter of the appointment on commissioner ground and forward the name. Subject,
What has Forest Department got to do?
because after the death of my father, they have appointed me with a meager of rupees initially 2,000, my lord, and I am working with 6,000 now, my lord, last from 2011. They are not giving me the minimum pay scale nor sending the proposal also. My lord, affidavit filed by the London District Commissioner, page 66, para 7 and 8, you will find that London District Commissioner has agreed to reconsider the matter because they are not sending the proposal.
Lordship, as per our affidavit, Lordship, the district commissioner DLC rejected the claim, Lordship, as they have not submitted in a proper time, Lordship. That is 1 year, Lordship. Now, our affidavit is clearly stated.
Para 6, you read para 6.
There are 6 minutes. That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 18 of the petition, the answering deponent respectfully states that it is a fact that DLC meeting was convened on 8/12/23 and all heads of office were asked to submit the proposal for the vacancy position for appointment on the compulsionary ground, if any. But the concerned department has not resubmitted the proposal in respect of the petitioner whose required vacancy in the said DLC meeting. As such, the matter could not be reviewed of the said DLC. Then my next para, that with regard to the state meeting paragraph 1920, the petitioner answering the opponent states that proposal will be reviewed in the next DLC meeting if the responsored by the concerned department. Foreign department silent, they are taking
Lordship,
my service.
compulsionary appointment is not a matter of right. Lordship, his father died, Lordship, in 2011, Lordship.
Who has filed this affidavit?
Respondent number 4, Lordship.
You represent whom?
The district commissioner, district commissioner, DLC.
So they have agreed that if the proposal is sent, we'll
No,
consider.
Lordship, in the Lordship, in the 18/9/24, Lordship, the matter become infructuous, Lordship. The new notification has come.
Mr. Counsel, you are representing the person who has filed the affidavit.
Lordship.
He has made a categorical statement.
No, Lordship, now the new notification has come, Lordship.
Then you bring it on
18/9/24 has come,
record.
Lordship.
Then you bring it on record, file your additional affidavit, whatever is to be
File
done.
your
You are
additional
making
affidavit,
this
Lordship.
statement on oath.
Then Lordship will file additional affidavit.
The forest department remained silent. Till today also they have not filed. They took adjournment to on last 2 occasions.
Yes. What are you doing?
They are not filing their affidavit. But they are taking my service every day. I am working with bigger salary of 6,000
How many years?
from 2011.
2011.
I am working here.
Why?
Minimum pay scale also not paid. If they don't consider
Why
like
no
it,
selection? No selection recruitment process. Nothing.
same submission, this is the 3rd occasion.
Counsel for the forest department is permitted last opportunity to obtain instructions and file necessary affidavit if so advised in the meantime. It is made clear that the instructions as to whether the petitioner has been granted the minimum scale of pay should be placed before the court on the next date fixed. It's on 27th
February.
of February. Mr. H. of the for the state and Mr. S. this was for the for the petition. Mr. J.K. Goswami, original senior government. Authorised is passed away. Yes.
So as per order dated 12/2025, the court directed to produce the certificate which is issued by the private respondent that was annexed. And due to the default, we challenged he was not eligible for the post of the Gauhati. That is as per punishment. But two order was passed.
What is your challenge here?
Here, challenge basically 3 count, One is the bank defaults. Secondly, criminal case. Thirdly, was recommended by the local MLA. And
You are challenging the appointment.
yes, appointment and
respondent
selection
side.
of the private respondent.
Readings complete.
Yes,
They have appeared.
yes, appeared, number, but they are not. Order, my lord.
Any further instructions? So,
Basic, bank. Order, 8/12/25, as well as 17/12/25. Both the order was reflected in produced the report regarding the certificate, bank, when the respondent was default at the time. Another part. Actual districts are there.
why are you not bringing your affidavit?
Perhaps they have not start copy. We have told yes,
When did you receive copies?
copy not received. Just Yep, that.
You serve extra copies?
Yes, no. Counsel for the petitioner will serve serve copies on the counsel appearing for the revenue department within 2 working days. Revenue will thereafter endeavor to file their affidavit. This matter again on.
Today,
uh,
sir.
Huh?
Today, sir.
Serve it 16th of March.
My lord.
You serve copies, they'll have to get instruction. What is to be done now? You are insisting you serve copies.
Serve the copy. Of that.
Yes.
But sir, in this matter, I would like to update some instructions because it has come after some time. And the main counsel who was arguing this matter, Mr. H. Alia, but sir, he is not so he's not gone in the court today due to some personal difficulty. But sir, may give me some time.
Otherwise, the issue has been settled by the honorable division bench.
What is the issue?
Issue on the termination of grade 4 employees, my lord.
What was the order passed?
Termination was set aside by the honorable division bench.
Submitted by Mr.
On the last occasion, the lordship reflected, I think.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am. And they have to.
So in that case, I will also obtain instructions whether this judgment will be
It
applicable.
is submitted by Mr. R. Ali, counsel for the petition. Issues raised here have been finally settled by an judgment of the division bench of the court, and it's placed a copy thereof. Mr. H. Borua, M. Guya, the counsel appearing for the health, submits that he would like to peruse the judgment and rise the court.
Friday.
Friday?
Process can be
16th. 16th.
possible.
Right for the Uttam Mohammed Warga located. Chapter directed to submit the survey report of the center.
Yes. There is a direction to file affidavit as per direction number 6 as per the last order. Counsel for the state is permitted 2 weeks further time. Comply the directions as paragraph 6 of the order dated 21/6/2026. Placed again after 2 weeks. 27th February. Your Mr. Mr. S. Zaman pays for the writ petitioner. None represents the respondents. This is in the matter of responses compiled by the respondents. Listed again after 2 weeks. After 3 weeks, on 13th of March, interim order passed earlier will continue in the next date fixed. Yes.
The last second, like, the equipment processor, same or not? But if the equipment processor different, as for now.
Yes, Lordship, equipment process are different, but both are conducted by SSC, Lordship, Staff Selection Commission. Now,
He was in SSB, then he was terminated,
yes, Lordship.
and you challenged the writ petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Now you
So-
want appointment in CRPF.
Yes.
And
Because
that
the
can be done. How do you? Because if you're dismissed from service, so if the petitioners if the petition is allowed, dismissal order set aside, we reinstate it.
Earlier, 2018, and this sub-inspector, is the 2024.
SSB is-
Allow time, one the government.
SSB is the parent department of CRPF, Lordship. And to avoid further complicacy, CRPF wrote a letter to the SSC, Staff Selection Commission, to accommodate him in the SSB as a SI. As because posts are vacant out of 50 posts there.
No.
Yes, Lordship.
You appeared in two different selections,
Yes, ma'am.
two different
Yes,
recruitment process.
Yes, madam. Earlier, constable is the year 2018. Then now, the SI post,
But you come back to the same issue that if your earlier writ petition is allowed, challenging the order of dismissal, you get reinstated. Where?
Then my conditional NOC is not, kindly see the para 10, in my IA, page 90, page 93. IA order, page 93. Ten and 11, may I read, Para 10, It is true that in the case of penalty of dismissal from service, one would not be entitled to any public employment. Having considered that the order of the dismissal from service dated 8/3/2025 and its rejection of appeal by the appellate authority dated 23/5/2025, having been challenged before this court, which is pending for final adjudication, the respondent authorities are yet to file their response, although the learned CGK submitted that he would be filing the appellate opposition within a day or two. I am of the considered view that the appellant deserves to be allowed to join his new job as sub-inspector in the CRPF, as in the matters of public employment. As observed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the opportunity doesn't come repeatedly and may never come again for the applicant. The applicant has.
No, I have understood everything. What I have not understood is what happens when your writ petition is allowed. The earlier writ petition.
And conditional NOC, what they already, SLP has already.
Conditional NOC.
Final,
What final? You are an employee of a armed forces. Central Police Force.
Yes, central.
You are terminated. Challenge it in the High Court. Matter is pending. Subsequent recruitment process, you again get selected in CRPF or whatever. You want to join. Now, you know the writ petition. Your petition, if it is allowed, then you are likely to be reinstated. Now, are you going to say that no, you don't want reinstatement because you already joined some other? This will require some hearing. No, not like that. No, it requires some hearing.
Filing hearing, on the 16 is the next stage, for training,
16.
in February.
Respondents are unable to give us clear instructions. What are you doing? Who is supposed to give you instructions?
Yes, Lordship, SSC have to make party. That's because we have wrote a letter communication that is on my instruction, Lordship. Kindly see the last page, Lordship. That is, we have seeking some.
We can't give you a date earlier than 26th. 26th of February. It's on 26th. February.
Then my field in matter one post matter second matter my prayer also matter in prayer.
In the next state, fix one post be kept vacant in CRPF. CRPF.
In SI post.
SI post. CRPF.
Blood. I am on behalf of the respondent number 6. Pleadings are complete.
None appears for the petition. Mr.
UB Sharma.
V. Sharma appears for the respondent. Matter stands passed over this next week.
I am respondent number 6.
Respondent 6.
Hello.
Yes.
The lordship, my lord. For the lordship time convenience, my lord, we have prepared this for your lordship. My
Have you filed a reply?
lord. Reply, my lord.
Is filed.
But reply I will have filed, my lord.
You want,
They
you
have
are
admitted my
praying. These pleadings are complete.
pleadings are completed. My lord, they have admitted that I am the sole
So
this petitioner to get a family pension, my lord.
All right, then we'll take it up for disposal.
My lord, my lord.
Not today. On 19th.
I am not available on 19th to kindly fix it on March first.
My lord,
Six
I have
March.
not been getting pension since 2005.
Matter of
my lord.
pension.
2005, my lord. I
Then
have
we'll
not
take it
getting
up on
pension.
26th.
27,
26th,
27.
26th. 26th of March.